legal representation?
Signing the first thing they get. Your first deal is not always the best deal, and you do have leverage sometimes. And so you never know what leverage you have unless you consult with somebody. So in the entertainment space, I would say the mistake most people make is just being excited about their first deal and signing it right away without trying to negotiate some favorable terms, or signing it without truly understanding, for example, how much you're going to get paid, because there's a thing called music math. And so you got to understand, like, royalties might look nice on paper, but when you actually start to do the math on how the royalties are going to be paid out, you might actually be getting less than what you think the paper is communicating, but you wouldn't know that if you didn't talk to an attorney or somebody who's seasoned in the industry.